Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Conclave in Warframe. Conclave is Warframe's player versus player mode, offering a distinct challenge from the main game. You'll engage in fast-paced combat against other Tenno, testing your skills and Warframe builds in various arenas. It's a great way to experience a different side of Warframe and earn unique rewards. To begin your Conclave journey, simply access the Conclave console located in your orbiter. Once there, you'll need to set up a specific Conclave loadout in your arsenal. Remember, many of your usual player versus environment mods and some Warframe abilities function differently or are entirely disabled to ensure balanced gameplay. Conclave features several exciting game modes. Annihilation is a classic free-for-all where you earn points by defeating opponents and collecting their oro. Team Annihilation pits two teams against each other in a race for kills. For objective-based play, Cephalon Capture challenges teams to seize and return the enemy's Cephalon to their base. As you play Conclave, you'll earn standing with the Conclave Syndicate. This standing can be exchanged with Teshin in the relay for exclusive Conclave mods, cosmetic items like weapon skins and armor, and even fully built Warframes. Don't forget to complete daily and weekly challenges, as these offer significant bonus standing and other valuable rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.